So guys, welcome back to another video. So tinatanong nyo, bakit may explosion ang aking rooftop? Well, simple lang. Dahil nung ako ay natutulog, may nag-explode na creeper. Which is nakakalungkot din. Kasi tinanggal niya halos lahat ng aking ginawa sa ating isang video. So guys, ngayon kukuha ulit ako ng materials kasi sobrang nakakainis naman ng creeper. Sinira niya base ko halos. Tara, kuha tayo materials. So let's get our wood. So nakakuha tayo ng wood guys, which kumuha ko ng maraming wood. Tsaka nakikita nyo pasira na ang aking axe. So mamaya pupunta ako sa cave kasi kailangan ko ng new tools. Ayun na, may stone doon, which kailangan ko din pala ng stone for the ground. So nakakuha na ako ng cobblestone and may black sheep dun, pero hindi ko yan kailangan. Bumalik na tayo sa base at hindi dito na cave. Ang laki ng iron. Kaso maraming mobs, yan ang aking problema. 3 sheep, wow! Craft na natin into wood. Yes, wood. So guys, turn on ko lang yung DND ko. Turn on ko na yung DND ko guys. And magka-craft, eto crafting table ko. So magka-craft ako ng isang furnace. And magka-craft ako niyan. And gagamitin ko na tulang. 2. Wow, grabe naman no. Kukuha na naman ako ng cobblestone. Hindi pa. Kailangan ko pa gumawa ng stair. Okay na yan. Oh, hindi ka na yun. Parkour. So guys, nakakuha na ako ng cobblestone at palitan na natin ang ground. At kung tinatanong nyo kung bakit axe ang aking ginagamit, kasi wala akong magamit tsaka board. At gagamitin ko na para gumawa ng door. Iwan ko ba kung bakit 3 binibigay? Wait, saan yung cobble? At kunin na natin to. Lagay natin dyan. Ayan dyan. Boom, 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 boom. At ngayon ko lang nalaman na pwede pala na yung sand gawin na glass gamit lang ang isang furnace. Yun lang, 1 furnace. Yes, new recipe. And boom. Lagay na natin ang pintuan. Tanggalin na natin ang dirt. Well, look, our first victim. Contestant. Yeah. Oh. No. Get in. I'm getting this. Tanggalin na rin natin to. What was that sound? I didn't like that sound. Didn't like that sound. Cover that up. And no. Ha ha ha, you guys can't get me. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha, you can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha, you're dead. Okay. Lagay natin dito dyan. And lagay na ang ating bed. Yes, ang ating bed. And boom. Sleep. Yes, I am sleeping. Lana zombie.
Run.
No zombie, I am stupid. I am very stupid. I am very stupid. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Yes. Glass. I'm gonna make glass. So, lagay na natin to sa furnace. And let's do it. Boom. Boom. Glass. No! Boom. And boom. Let's just wait. So, first thing I am gonna do is get tools. Yes, tools. Tools lang ang aking kailangan. And dun, yun lang. So, nagawa na ating days. Yes, it is now complete. And we have our first contestant in here. Yes. Okay na? Yes. Oh, yes. Boom. And kailangan ko na talaga yan. So, tara na mag-cave exploring. Kailangan ko na kasi ng materials. First piece of iron. Let's now go there. Oh, that was so risky. Nothing saw me. Nothing saw me. I'm a very kind guy. I am very good. I haven't been naughty. Let's just get to full health. Now I need to get this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm very scared right now. I need to grab this. Because how am I gonna get back there? Yes, iron! Nakahanap pa tayo ng mas sobrang raming iron. Yes, nakakuha tayo ng maraming iron. So, ang kailangan ko, water bucket. Kasi, oh my gosh. Lumayo ka sa akin. Ayoko sa maasim. Lumayo-layo ka sa akin. I'm dead. Ay, kala ko patay na ako eh. So, wala na atang iron. Punta pa tayo. Wag na pala muna. Wait. Kala ko. No. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Hate you. Get away. Gonna go back. Want to stay with the witch. No. Tama lang. Boom. And then boom. Yes. We are finally back, people. And check natin kung ilan na. Ay, ala pa na sa inventory ko. We found 5 iron. Oh my gulay, rami. So, bumalik na tayo sa ating base. At mag-craft tayo ng chest. Double chest. 2 lang. And lagay lang natin yung unnecessary. Yan. No. Yan. At yan. Yes, I did it. We got. What is your trades? Oh wow, good trades. Sorry na ano yan. Hindi ko na-record yung part na yan. Ano yan, wag na lang natin tignan, guys. So, kumuha na tayo ng mga sheep. Ay, hindi, pigs. Where did the sheep go? Oh no, he died. But you, sir, are coming with me. No, you dare not go away. You need to follow me, boss. No, don't run. Your parents are gonna be there. No, you're not going anywhere. Come here, you little chicken. Come here. Come here, chicky. Thank you. No. Found a way to get out. But hi, Mr. Piggy. Oh, sorry. So, that's it. Wala pa tayong nakukuhang animals. Close muna natin yung doors. Guys, bukas na ulit. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye!